In today's episode of our Delicato series, I'll be talking about marbling and choosing the cut of beef that's right for you. So in this Delicato series, we'll be learning how to select, portion, season, and cook our beef. It's not about the most expensive cut, it's about choosing the right cut for you. So what is marbling? Marbling is the fat that is deposited between the muscle fibers, scored by comparing the proportion of marbled fat to meat. This provides an indication of the amount of marbling in the beef, as well as the fineness of distribution and the size of the pieces. The higher the marble score, the more flavour and a texture that is very tender. Marbling makes a difference. As the beef cooks, the fat melts between the layers, internally basting it with its own fat. The fat in marbled beef melts at a lower temperature, which means it starts to render quickly as it cooks. Basting the steak internally in its own fat, what you get is an incredible rich and deep flavour. Apart from adding flavour, the fat in the marbled meat acts as a tenderizer, this making it tender, juicy and delicious. Higher marble scores are often synonymous with the kind of tenderness that lets your knife glide through the steak like butter. This gives a melt-in-your-mouth buttery texture. When looking for marbled beef, always look for an even fat distribution. This is a sign of quality. Every cut has its own personality. Consider the desired tenderness, fat content and cooking method. Marbling, the fat within the meat, is a key indicator of flavour and tenderness. With more marbling and generally leaning towards a more flavourful and tender result, freshness is also important. Look for bright red meat with a clean smell. So choosing the right cut of beef for you is important. Ribeye is tender and forgiving. Chuck is firm and flavourful. So make sure you choose the right cut to suit your recipe. And that's why Delicato is here to help you. We can recommend the right cut to suit your recipe and prepare it just the way you need it. The better you understand beef, the simpler it is to cook. And at Delicato, we make it easier for you.